Hey, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with a new episode of Lesson. Okay, for today, uh, I'm coming up with a great series. You guys have been asking me of licks and riffs, okay, to apply in your worship songs. Okay, so for today, I'm going to give you just two licks you're going to apply whenever you are playing your worship songs. Okay, some licks you're going to put in, okay, to harmonize your playing as well. Okay, so uh, if this is the first time watching my video, I would like you to click on the subscribe button. Okay, then turn on the notification bell so you can start any of my video each and anytime I post a new video. Okay, please guys, like this video, subscribe. Okay, you can drop a comment if you find this video interesting. Okay, you can drop a comment, you can smash the like button. I would really appreciate. Okay, so guys, for today, like I said, I want to give you two licks. Okay, you can apply your worship song, your worship session. Okay, that will enable and also enhance your playing to sound good. Okay, so I have made a lot of videos about licks in my previous videos. So I have so many licks out there. Okay, in case you want to know more licks, but times goes on, I'm going to come up with new licks. Okay, that are going to benefit and enhance your playing. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to do this lesson in the key of E. And please, if you know that your guitar is not on the standard tuning, I believe you guys know what I mean by standard tuning. Okay, if you know that your guitar is not on a standard tuning, please try as much as possible to make your guitar to sound to be on a standard tuning. Okay, okay, I mean the original keyboard tone, tuning. Okay, so if you don't know how to tune your guitar, you can download the guitar tuner in the Google Play Store. Okay, yes, or you can use any particular song you know the key very well, then use that to tune your guitar to standard tuning. Mostly I can recommend this song Jehovah Overdue by Chidinma to you guys. Okay, I made a video in one of my videos a few months ago. You can go and check it here. You'll see the song, then you can use the song to tune your guitar, and the key of that song is in the key of C sharp. It's in the key of C sharp. So you have a standard tuning, because it's very important you have a standard tuning, because everything I do show you guys and everything I'm going to show you now, I'm playing on a standard tuning. Okay, like this is my key of E. Okay, this is my key of E, and this is my key of E again on the second string. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so that is the key of E. So I think I'm going to bring this close now so that you can see the lick. So the number one lick I'm going to show you there, you can apply in your worship section. Okay, it's something like this. Okay, okay, okay. So what am I playing there? I'm playing from the saw on this up the second octave there, because this is your key of E, and this is your do, la, so. Okay, so starting from the saw, do, re. Okay, so come down to this saw now on the second string there. Okay, on the second string, so mi do. Okay, that is the first part. That is the first part. So do re so mi do. When you come to this mi here, okay, you need to slide it to harmonize it a little. Okay, something like this. All right, so you need to slide it like that. Okay, so do re so mi do. Now slide to the mi again from your re mi so re do la do. pullover, okay? I'm doing a kind of pullover. Okay, so you need to learn how to pull over. You need to learn how to pull over your note to the next note, okay? It's very important. That is one of the things that gives harmony to music, give harmony to whatever you are playing, okay? So the second part is, so this is how it sounds. Okay, so that is the first leg I'm going to show you. So the second leg is, you play something like this. Okay, so what am I playing there now? This is your mi on the second string. Okay, your third note on the second string, your mi, re, mi. Okay, so you take you pull from the mi to the mo a little octave, okay, down below, okay. This is a mi, mo, okay. That's from your third note to your flat third, okay. For those that understand the number system, okay, from your third note to your flat third, okay. So you pull over it a little, okay. Come back again, okay. Okay. Yeah. Now going to your T on the first string, the seventh note, okay. Your T on the first string, then your seventh note, okay. Okay, which is your seventh note. Okay, now the second part is, okay, because this is your do, right? Okay, so mi. Okay, so the whole thing is like this. So you now come again to that your mi, re, mo, sorry, re, mi, so, mi, re, do, la, do, re, mi, so, mi, re, do, la, do, okay? When you play, okay? So guys, those are the basic lick I want you to start practicing, okay? So by the next video, I'm going to show you how to apply them, okay, in your playing, sounds more better, okay? So like I said earlier, if this is the first time watching my video, I would like you to click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that all my interesting video I'm going to show you on this channel. Okay guys, subscribe, like this video if you find it interesting, and drop your comment. Any challenges you have been having, drop it on the comment section. I will really appreciate. Okay, thanks guys for watching once again. Bye, see you in the next video.